Usually in multiplication, for example, 12 into 2 is equal to 24. We know that. This 12 is called as multiplicand. Multiplicand. This 2 is called as multiplier. And this 24 is called as product. Okay? In this video, I will let you know a multiplication trick by which you can get the product of multiplicand and multiplier of any number of any digit easily without using a calculator. To know the multiplication trick, first you have to learn the pattern of the arrow. The arrow which we use to indicate how to which multiplicand the multiplier is multiplying. Let us first study the pattern of that arrow. Let us study the pattern of that arrow. Okay? First let us study when number of digits of multiplicand equal to number of digits of multiplier. Okay, let us study this pattern first. For example, the number of multiplicand contains 2 digits into 2. Pattern of that arrow will be here 2 digits, right? Multiplicand is 2 digits and multiplier is 2 digits. Then the pattern should be 1, 2, 1. Okay? If it is of 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2, 3. Here 3 digits, here 3 digits. Then the pattern should be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. That is here 3 digits, right? First you have to write 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then come back. Write down here 2, 1. Okay, this is the logic. If it is of 4 digits, 1, 3, 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose the number has 4 digits as multiplicand and the multiplier also has 4 digits. In that case, first write down up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come back. 3, 2, 1. Okay? Similarly, one, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, the multiplicand has 5 digits and the multiplier has 5 digits. In that case, the pattern of the arrow will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now you have to return back. That is 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. Okay. First observe the pattern and remember how the pattern of the arrow will be. If any 2 digits are given, if the multiplicand and the multiplier are given with the same digits, depending on the number of digits, you have to write the pattern first. Pattern in the form of numbers first. Okay? We have studied the number of digits of multiplicand equal to number of digits of multiplier. The pattern will be as shown here. Okay? You have to remember this pattern. Similarly, now let us study the number of digits of multiplicand greater than number of digits of multiplier. When number of digits of multiplicand greater than number of digits of multiplier. Okay. Suppose the number is of multiplicand has 3 digits and multiplier is of 2 digits. The pattern will be 1, 2, here 3 digits, right? Here 2 digits, right? So start from 1, 2, in place of 3 you have to write the number of digits of the multiplier. How many digits here? 2, right? In place of 3 write down 2 because here 3 digits. In place of 3 write down 2 and come back. You will get 1. Okay? 1, 2, 2, 1. Understood? If multiplicand is of 4 digits and it is of 2 digits, then you have to write 1, 2, okay, here 2 digits and here 4 digits. Next number is 3, right? In place of 3 you have to write 2. In place of 4 again you have to write 2 and come back 1. Okay? Here 4 digits, here 2 digits. So I have written like this. If number of digits is of 4 and of multiplicand is 4 and multiplier is of 3, then write down here start. Here 3 digits, right? Write up to 3 number. 1, 2, 3. Multiplicand is of 4. So in place of 4 write down 3 digits, number 3. Okay? And come back. 2, 1. Okay? If it is of 5 digits into 1, 2, 3. So the pattern will be 1, 2, 3. In place of 4 write down 3. In place of 5 write down 3 and come back. If the multiplicand is of 5 digits and the multiplier is of 4 digits, then pattern will be 1, 2, 3, 4. In here 5 digits are there for multiplicand. So in place of 5, multiplier is having 4 digits. In place of 5 write down 4 and come back. 3, 2, 1. Okay? And so on. Similarly, the same pattern you have to follow depending on the digits of the multiplicand and the multiplier. The pattern of arrow in 2 cases is enough for multiplication trick. So now we are ready with pattern of that arrow. Now let us study the direction of arrow depending on the pattern. Now let us study the direction of arrow. Okay? If the pattern shows number 1 means the multiplicand is of 1 digit and the multiplier is of 1 digit. In that case, the arrow will be in this direction. If you see the pattern number 2 means the multiplicand is of 2 digit and the multiplier is also of 2 digit. Then in this case the arrow starts from the last digit of the multiplier and reaches the first digit of the multiplicand. Okay? And the first digit of the multiplier will reach the second digit of the multiplicand. If you see the pattern number 3, then the multiplicand is of 3 digit, multiplier is also of 3 digit. In this case, the arrow starts from the last digit of the multiplier and reaches to the first digit of the multiplicand. The first digit of the multiplier will reach to the last digit of the multiplicand. The middle digit will go directly to the middle digit of the multiplicand. If you see pattern number 4, that means the multiplicand is of 4 digits and the multiplier is also of 4 digits. Okay? In this case, the pattern In this case, the arrow starts from the last digit of the multiplier and reaches to the first digit of the multiplicand. The first digit of the multiplicand will start and reach to the last digit of the multiplicand. The second digit of the multiplier will go to the third digit of the multiplicand. The third digit of the multiplicand will go to the second digit of the multiplier. Okay? If you see 5 as a pattern number means the multiplicand is of 5 digits. The multiplier is also of 5 digits. Okay? In this case, the last digit of the multiplicand will go to the first digit of the multiplicand. The last digit of the multiplier will go to the first digit of the multiplicand. The first digit of the multiplier will go to the last digit of the multiplicand. The second digit of the multiplier will go to the fourth digit of the multiplicand. The third digit of the multiplier will go directly to the third digit of the multiplicand. The fourth digit of the multiplier will go to the second digit of the multiplicand. As 3 is middle digit, it will go directly to the middle digit of the multiplicand, and so on. So if you observe the same case, the same pattern you have to follow for remaining number of digits also. If you observe in these patterns, if it is odd, the middle digit is going directly to the middle digit of the multiplicand. The middle digit of multiplier will go directly to the middle digit of the multiplicand. Okay? Now let us take an example and do our calculations. That is, let us start our calculations using the multiplication trick. Pattern of arrow and the direction of arrow are in our hands. Okay? Then the multiplication trick can be used easily by us. Let us take an example and calculate the value. Suppose we have to calculate the value of 2-digit numbers. That is, multiplicand is of 2 digit and the multiplier is also of 2 digit. In this case, here 2 digit and 2 digit, right? First, bring the pattern of this digits of this multiplicand and multiplier. The pattern of the arrow will be 1, 2, 1. Is it not? So, now write down here 1, 2, 1, 18. Here 1, right? So, the arrow will go to here. The first digit of multiplier will go to first digit of multiplicand. The value will be 1 into 1 will be 1. Okay? Now, 12, 18. 2 is there, right? 2 means we have to multiply in 8 into 1 and 1 into 2 as we studied before. So, 8 into 1 will be 8 plus 1 into 2 will be 2. This is equal to 10. Okay, next 12 into 18. In this case you have 1. So, we started from the arrow, multiplication of the arrow started from in this will start in this direction. Okay. So, at last it will go to last digit of the multiplier to the last digit of the multiplicand. This is nothing but 16. Okay. Now, answer. I will write the answer. Observe it. Here 6, right? I will write here 6. And I will carry this 1 to the product of this 12 into 18. Okay. To this step, you will get 11. Okay. Write down this one here. Okay. Now carry this 1 to here and add it. You will get 2. Is it not? Write down here 2. The answer is nothing but 216. Now let us take another example. Multiplicand is of 3 digits and the multiplier is of 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 into 5, 6, 7. As it is 3 and it is 3, Write down the pattern of the arrow first. It will be 1, 2, 3 and come back. It will be 2, 1. Is it not? So write down the numbers here. 5, 6, 7. Here 1. Is it not? So you have to calculate 5 into 1. You will get 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next pattern number is 2. So as multiplication should be in this direction, you have to take these two numbers. 1, 5 into 2 and 6 into 1 you have to calculate. 6 into 1 is 6 plus 5 into 2 is 10. So you will get 16. Okay. Next again the pattern number is 3. So write down here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Pattern number 3 means you have to multiply 7 into 1, 5 into 3, 6 into 2. Is it not? 7 into 1 is 7 plus 12 plus 15. This is equal to 34. Now, next pattern number is 2. Now come to 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. In this direction we have to go, right? So we have to leave the 1 digit because here 3 digit, right? You have to do 2 digits of multiplicand and 2 digits of multiplier should be multiplied. So leave the number from this side. Leave 1 here and 5 here. Multiply these two numbers. You will get 14 plus 18. This is equal to 32. Now last is 1. So write down here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Multiply these two. You will get 21. Is it not? Now I will write the answer. Check it out. Write down here. Here it is 1. Write down here 1. Okay. This 2 should be carried here. Then you will get 34. 32 plus 2. You will get 34. Write down 4. Carry this 3 to here. Then this will be equal to 37. So write down 7 here. Carry this 3 to here. You will get 19. So write down 9 here. Carry this 1 to here. You will get 6. So answer is nothing but 6, 9, 7, 4, 1. Now let us take an example in which the number of digits of multiplicand are greater than the number of digits of multiplier. Example 2142 into 132. In this case, the multiplicand has 4 digits and multiplier has 3 digits. The pattern will be 1, 2, 3. Here 3 digits, right? Up to you have to write 1, 2, 3. In place of 4, you have to write 3 and come back to 1. Okay. Now let us start calculation using the pattern. Here 1. Okay. 2, 1, 4, 2. 1, 3, 2. If you see pattern number 1 means you have to multiply this 2. So this will be 2. Next 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2. Here the pattern number is 2. So you have to multiply 3 into 2 and 1 into 1. You will get 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Next pattern number 3. 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay. Then you have to multiply 1 into 4, 2 into 2, 3 into 1. You will get 4 plus 3 plus 4. This is equal to 11. Now 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2. Here the pattern is 3. So we have to as we have completed multiplication of these 3 digits, next you have to go to these 3 digits. Leave here 2. Multiply with 1 into 2, 2 into 1 and 3 into 4. You will get 2 plus 12 plus 2. This is nothing but 16. Next 2 1 4 2 1 3 2. The pattern number is 2. So we have to multiply last two numbers. You will get 8 plus 6. This is equal to 14. Next, last number. One more pattern is there, that is 1. 2 1 4 2 1 3 2. This will be 2. Okay? Sorry, 4. Answer will be here. Nothing is there to carry, so you will write simply 4. And here you will write 4 and carry this 1 2 here. You will get 17. Write down here 7. Then carry 1 2 here. This becomes 12. So write down here 2. Carry this 1 2 here. This becomes 8. And nothing is there to carry out. So the value will be 282744. This is the final answer. Using the pattern and the direction of the arrow, you can do multiplication of any number of digit with any number of any digits. Okay? If you like the trick, please give your feedback in the comments. Also, please like, share and subscribe for more tricks on more concepts. Thank you.